These 20 phrasal verbs are used every single day, and most English learners don't know them. Today, I am going to teach you 20 of some of the most important phrasal verbs in English, the ones native speakers use in everyday life. If you want to sound more natural, understand movies, and speak English with confidence, you need these. And this is just part 2 of my series where I teach the top 200 phrasal verbs step by step. Part 1 you can go and watch, and then you can come back to this one if you haven't watched the first one. Let's get started. Deal with. That means to handle a problem. I need to deal with this issue. I need to deal with this issue. I need to deal with this issue. Do over. That means to do again. Please do the test over. Please do the test over. Please do the test over. Drop off. That means to leave someone or something. I dropped off the package. I dropped off the package. I dropped off the package. Eat out. That means to eat at a restaurant. We eat out on weekends. We eat out on weekends. We eat out on weekends. End up. That means to finally arrive at a situation. We ended up staying home. We ended up staying home. We ended up staying home. Figure out. That means to understand or solve. I figured out the answer. I figured out the answer. I figured out the answer. Fill in. That means complete information. Fill in the form. Fill in the form. Fill in the form. Find out. That means discover. I found out the truth. I found out the truth. I found out the truth. Get along. That means to have a good relationship. They get along well. They get along well. They get along well. Get away. That means to escape or take a vacation. We got away for the weekend. We got away for the weekend. We got away for the weekend. Get back. That means to return. I got back late. I got back late. I got back late. Get in. That means to enter. She got in the car. She got in the car. She got in the car. Get off. That means to leave a vehicle. Get off the bus. Get off the bus. Get off the bus. Get on. That means to enter a vehicle. Get on the train. Get on the train. Get on the train. Get out. That means to leave a place. Get out of the room. Get out of the room. Get out of the room. Get over. That means to recover from something. She got over the flu. She got over the flu. She got over the flu. Get through. That means to finish or survive. We got through the storm. We got through the storm. We got through the storm. Get up. That means to leave the bed. I get up at 7. I get up at 7. I get up at 7. Give back. That means to return something. Give back my book. Give back my book. Give back my book. And the last one. Give up. That means to stop trying. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. If you learned something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because in the next video, I'll teach you 20 more phrasal verbs that you'll hear every day in English. By the end of this series, you'll know 200 of the most important phrasal verbs and understand real English conversations with confidence. Let me know in the comments what was a new phrasal verb for you, or what phrasal verb do you plan to practice? I will see you in the next video. Bye!